hook who came through and blessed the kid, bruh. Blessed the kid. Bringing her back to life. Doing this control arm real quick, but got the bumper. Man just dropped off fog lights, bumper, lower grill. So now I just got to get the Esport grill again in the grill housing. And then she'll be back to life. Y'all know what's coming next, that rap song. Alright, y'all already know this finna be in black and white, but it's about that time, y'all. It's about that time. I'm dropping it off today, so let's get it. Okay, we finally made it. You know you guys are in black and white again, but move that out the way. This is Jeremy Grant's car, the NBA. It's tough. So we're gonna get started wrapping the car soon. Once I get all the body work, some more things done. On the road to getting her back, bruh. Oh yeah, my new headliner. Stars in the ceiling.
Several days later.
Alright, it's been a minute. There we go. Yeah, it's been a minute. Got the bumper lip. About to go drop it off to Ali. We're gonna probably start wrapping the bumper at least tonight after we do some body work. But I haven't recorded anything in a minute. It's crunch time, man. I'm trying to get everything done to this car before Sumo Speed, which is basically a month from now. Got new wheels on the way. The build has started for those. Those are probably gonna take a couple weeks, hoping they get done by Sumo. Fingers crossed. Y'all pray for me that those get done by Sumo. Last time I talked to y'all, we took care of the radiator support. Today we are headed down to try and start some of this body work for the car so it can get wrapped, because I'm basically gonna do all the body work that would need to be done to it if it needed to be painted. So I'm gonna take y'all along with me for that today, and let's get it. Out here, we're sanding the bumper. This is my first time doing it, so y'all can flame me in the comments if y'all want. As long as this shit, the wrap goes on and it don't look like orange peel, I'm Gucci. I'm not tripping. So all you perfectionists, you know, might want a professional to go do that shit. Get off the couch, you lazy fuck. Go do that shit yourself, bitch. Wrap, not paint, nigga.
Video's getting taken down, bro.
Can't get taken. Oh, shit. Can't get taken down. You know who I am? I'll make that call to Susan right now.
Think I'm running out of how this body shit been coming in. He was in that business and got spanked, you shouldn't have put it in. Boy, but I put ice on all my bitches. Boy, I love
Press the generator. Put it on there. Put it in.
Hold this side?
Yeah. And you gotta hold this side.
I already spanked you.
Bang!
Yep.
That's right, that's right. They don't look tacky as fuck. It's a good thing though.
You said it's tight?
No, it's tacky. Like the material. It tacks real fast. Oh, see that?
Phone's at 20%, buddy.
Mashallah.
So we had to put body filler, Bondo. Yeah,
Bondo on some slits somebody made.
Fondo glass.
Fondo
I'm
glass.
not gonna say who made the slits, but
The someone that
Shall not be named.
basically I got this bumper and has some cuts in it, man. And
cuts like these.
you know, it's all good though.
DIY shit, you know.
You live and learn. And good news though. Woo-hoo, she's looking good. All right, so we did a little bit some body work, wrapped the lip, but the main objective for today was honestly just dropping the stuff off so Ben will have it and he could get started. So already wrapped the lip. Front bumper is gonna be next since it's down here, and then we gotta do some body work to the rest of the car so that can get wrapped. It's like 2 a.m. now, bro. We better go get something to eat. So yeah. All right, this audio is probably about to be cooked. I don't record. I don't even know what part of the vid this is, but tackling the AC condenser today. Back when we replaced my radiator in New York, we didn't have the AC condenser, but we have it now. So that is what we are taking care of today. And my boy Zishan with me. About to knock this out real quick. I don't know how much of this I'm gonna record. Just throwing little clips of trying to get this thing back to life in this vid. Some of the stuff from the last like 2 weeks. So that's what y'all are gonna see here. Got a lot going on, so I don't be recording, but I'm working. I ain't forget about y'all.
All of my niggas are loyal. All of my niggas are gold. You walking around with a toilet. And my little partner, she shoot.
Couldn't even do this shit.
Spending my money, you gold. All of my niggas are thug. Been on the block with a handle. I got the roll. I got the roll. Hit on your bitch. I'm with the squad. I'm with the squad. I'm with the squad. Playboy card, only be long thug that I know. Playboy card, only be long thug that I know. Playboy card, only be long thug that I know.
Gang. Bag secured. Had to get that honey garlic chicken sandwich, nigga. Some fries, ranch. About to eat in the whip. Couldn't eat in there. There's too many weirdos. Of course, it started raining, but after I'm done eating, we'll go ahead and tackle that hour drive.
That's all it took, bro. All it took. That's all it took. I mean, all it took right here. His brain and these tools are my strength.
Yep. AC condenser is done. Did I record? Of course not. But it's done. So on to the next thing. I've been doing a terrible job vlogging these last couple days, but just trying to rush and get a lot of stuff done to the car, man. We went ahead and tackled the AC condenser. Still got to put Freon back in there, but I'll have AC again. Getting some gas now. About to head home. And then I'm dropping the car off Friday. Because Ali's going to have it to start wrapping it. He's probably going to have it for about a week and a half, 2 weeks. I'm going to be coming down to help speed up the process, and I'm going to be learning how to wrap. So that'll be fun. But yeah, man, just a lot going on with this thing. Trying to get everything done. Don't know where this is in the video, but I know I probably say it every video, but I really do appreciate everybody who watches. Got a lot of things coming to this car, man. I'm just excited for it to like be back to where it's supposed to be. Like, I've been dogging this thing, treating it like Dookie. It's always treated me right. I'm just glad it's finally about to be back to where it's supposed to. Yeah, that's probably the end of this video, but thank you guys again. Damn, I can't even speak, bro. But like I said, thanks again to everybody for watching the days, man. On my way home, got an hour drive.